Hey, what's up? We're here checking out the new iPhone XR. It comes in many colors. It is essentially taking all the cool features that you saw in the iPhone X and putting them in a slightly different form factor at a much cheaper price. It starts at $749. This is going to make these features and this form factor accessible to a whole bunch of people that didn't have it before. Still got the one camera there instead of the dual camera, but Apple has done a lot of stuff with AI and the chip inside so that it can do a lot of the cool camera tricks that we're used to seeing from dual camera systems. There we go. You can already see a bit of the background blur there in the portrait mode, but now you can also adjust your depth of field there so that the background blur gives as much of a bokeh as you want. You can make it super sharp or super artistic. It's got a screen that's different from any iPhone screen before. Now, it looks similar to the iPhone X or iPhone XS, but those phones have OLED screens, and this is actually an LCD. This is what Apple calls a liquid retina display. It's 6.1 inches, that's measured diagonally, of course. It doesn't quite have the same resolution as an iPhone XS, but these days, all phone screens are to a certain extent very, very good, and this one is still an upgrade over previous LCDs Apple's done. You get a lot of this experience in this phone for about $250 less. So this is 3 of the colors. You got your red, you got your coral, you got your yellow. Colors are a big deal. I mean, there hasn't been this kind of variety in iPhone colors since the iPhone 5C. It's definitely sort of a thing people obviously like to do to express themselves, and they put their stuff in cases. It'll be interesting to see how many people opt for a clear case with these iPhones. So we're back here at Mashable after checking out the iPhone XR or XR, as everyone's probably going to end up calling it. It was interesting checking it out after I've actually already upgraded to the iPhone XS. So I got to admit I had a little bit of a pang of regret for upgrading to the XS because there is so much of that stuff in the iPhone XR. Bottom line, this is what I would regard as the iPhone. If you're someone who basically just wants a phone that's the latest phone, or you know someone who just buying an iPhone matters to them and they don't care so much about the camera, because that is like the big difference is you lose that telephoto lens and you lose some of the extra camera abilities. For example, in the iPhone XR, Apple actually trained that portrait mode on faces, so you can't actually use portrait mode on anything else. You couldn't use it on a pet, you can't use it on an object. Bottom line, this is a phone for someone who wants the latest and greatest, doesn't want to spend a ton of money, and really just wants an iPhone. Watch for a review of the phone on Mashable coming soon.